In this demo, we're going to look at fluid pressure. In this container here, there's a fluid, and as you go further down the fluid, the pressure will increase. So the pressure increases dependent on the density of the fluid times the acceleration due to gravity, and then the height. So you have some atmospheric pressure right at the top here, and it will increase beyond that as you go through this fluid, go down. So the demo is going to illustrate how at this point here at the bottom, there's more pressure than, say, at this point. And you're going to visually see that by the streams that come out. You should see that the stream here is having a faster velocity or faster speed than this one. So it's just going to show you how visually you can see that the pressure down here is greater. So I'm going to take these stoppers off in a second, and you can see what happens. So you'll notice that the velocity here and here are different. This one is coming out faster than this because the pressure here is greater. And as this stream stops, these two will continue. Again, you can see of these two, if you compare, this one has more velocity. So it kind of beats this one over here, right? So this stream comes out further than this one, which has less of a pressure. So as it continues to flow out, you could see that the pressure is a function of depth. So this is fluid pressure. You can see that's in this demo.